taking a hike, so come along and join the ride. Oh, that's so cute.
Out the window, pup.
Wow, he's never done that before. He finally gets to do that. I'm so happy for him. The view on the way to this beautiful hike destination was amazing, you guys. I will link the description of where we went down below. It was somewhere in Malibu, I believe, but it was so beautiful, you guys. I was in love with the scenery. Hey guys, we're in nature. Uh-oh, let him pick. He picked. I know this video is different from most of my videos, but I do want to make my channel a little more relaxed, a little more fun, more like me. So this is what we're doing now. 2021 has brought new beginnings, so let's get it. You guys, I'm loving this hike. I'm so glad that we came here, and it's so nice to be outside and like nobody's here. It's like my sanctuary or something. I really feel like safe. All right, let's see how he does. Up the steps you go, Ellie. Oh. It's so hot, you guys. I did not mean to suit up. I really wore a shirt and a jacket, and now I'm feeling hot. So gotta figure that out because yeah. He said, bro, can't you tell I'm thirsty? I'm sorry, buddy. We're out of water right now. Starting to get hungry, you guys. So hopefully we will ascend soon once Oliver decides to take a piss. I think he knows at this point. I think he's like, if I pee, I'm gonna go. Do you see what I'm saying? Successful, you guys. He peed. He peed. He did a good job, but now he's probably gonna go sniff it so he can do it number 2. Ah. Ooh, look at this cute tree, Oliver.
Maybe we should have brought the blanket. Then you would have wanted to.
True. Okay, let's keep walking. We can go that way now, or go on the trail and go a little bit further down and then go back to the car after? Or do you guys just want to go back to the car?
I'm so tired, I'm not gonna lie, just because I've been just...
Yeah, then let's just walk. Let's just walk towards the car.